How to identify objects with iPhone camera. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Google application on your phone. Google helps you find information online through text, voice, and visual searches. Once you're here, tap the camera icon as shown in the search bar to open Google Lens. Point your camera at the object you want to identify, in this case, a remote control. Tap the shutter button at the bottom of the screen and start the search. The app will now analyze the image and search for matching results online. From the results panel, tap on the Exact Matches option to see visually similar products. As you can see, the search results provide the exact model number and brand of the remote. Following these steps, you can easily identify objects with iPhone camera. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.